别吼，别吼，别吼！这几个还超级嘛，超级推，起码推。不动的，直接不动它。这边能不能倒过来？倒要近哦。太近了，两边房子就这，我正好走了这儿。车子先丢这儿吧。
Officials in China Sichuan province was hit by an earthquake that killed 93 last week, lowered the emergency response level as most transportation, electricity and communication services resumed, state media reported on Tuesday. The strongest earthquake to hit the province in 5 years killed 55 in an area known as Ganzi and 38 in the city of Yan, CCTV News said. Rescue efforts are still being carried out for 25 missing, including 9 in Ludding. Ceremonies in several cities were held on Monday to remember the victims, according to the WeChat account of the Sichuan provincial government. Rain in Sichuan